April 18, 1906, dawned like any other day in San Francisco, until at 5:12 a.m., the ground beneath the city suddenly lurched violently. The infamous San Andreas Fault had finally ruptured, unleashing a devastating earthquake that rattled the city for roughly a minute. Buildings crumbled to dust, fires ignited, and chaos reigned as 80% of the city was leveled in mere hours. Over 3,000 perished, and half of the city's population was left homeless, marking it as one of the deadliest earthquakes in U.S. history. Yet, amidst the rubble, this catastrophe inspired monumental resilience and saw San Francisco rise from the ashes, rebuilt as a symbol of human endurance and revival.